Good morning, Year 4. It's Tuesday, the 12th of January. Hope you're all well. Hope you're ready for another day of learning. Today, in our maths, we are carrying on with division. I can divide a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number involving remainders. Now, I just want you to remind yourself, what is a remainder? Can you tell someone around you or just have a think yourself? What is a remainder? So a remainder is an amount that is left over after division happens. And this occurs when the first number does not divide exactly by the other. So that's a remainder. That's what we're focusing on today. So hopefully it's a straightforward concept and we're just building up all these stages to help us to be able to divide by larger numbers and with those ones with exchange as well. So this is our question that we're starting with, 85 divided by 4. Now, the same as yesterday's learning, the same as last week's learning, we are going to partition and we're going to use our known facts. So we're going to divide using we're going to divide the tens first. So in this instance, we have got 80. 8 tens, and we are dividing them by 4. So we're putting them into 4 groups, equal groups. So therefore on my tens and ones chart, I have divided it into 4 columns. If you prefer you thinking of it as a bar model, I've got a bar model here that's been divided into 4 columns. So you have got to do the one that you are more comfortable with. So 85 divided by 4, let's do 80 divided by 4. So I'm going to move my tens. I'm going to share my tens into my 4 groups, my 8 tens into 4 groups, and you can see we probably worked out that works out equally. So as of yesterday when we had exchange, today we don't necessarily have an exchange, so we are doing 80 divided by 4. And again, if you don't need to use the place value counters, if you don't need to draw out the value counters, you do not have to. You can do it in your head as long as you are understanding the steps that go into it, okay? We have then got 4. Let me just click off my annotate button, sorry. We've then got 5 ones divided by 4. So we're sharing 5 into 4. Hopefully you can predict what is going to happen and whether we have a remainder. So we have got 5 goes into 4 groups equally with 1 remaining. Okay, we can't share the 1 equally against 4 groups, so therefore this is our remainder. So if we go to our calculations, then the ones we've got 5 divided by 1, or 4 divided by 4 is 1, and we've got 1 remainder. So 85 divided by 4, in each group we have got 21, and then overall we've got a remainder 1 as well. And you can see that I've written up with a little r that goes up high with the value number 1. Okay, so each group, we've got 4 equal groups, each with 21 in, and our remainder 1. Okay, let's have a look at the next one together, and then you could pause and have a go yourself. Okay, so let's have a go at this one. 86 divided by 4. Can you pause the video and have a go yourself? Or if you're still a bit unsure, then just carry on watching. We can do it together. Or pause it and then check back in. So we're going to divide the tens first. We're going to do 80 shared into 4 equal rows, 4 equals groups. So in each group, you could probably work out 80 divided by 4. If you know that 8 divided by 4 is 2, hopefully you will know that 80 divided by 4 is 20. And you can see that by me sharing 8 tens into 4 equal groups. So 80 divided by 4 is 20. And then we've got 6 divided by 4. So you can maybe estimate this, or not estimate, have a think about what might happen. So I've got 6 ones and I'm sharing them into 4 equal groups, but then I've got these 2 and I can't, division needs to be shared equally, and even though they could go into halves, that is not what we're doing today. So if you think that 86 divided by 4 is 21, so 80 divided by 4, sorry, is 20, and then 6 divided by 4, we've got 1 each, remainder 2. So 86 divided by 4 is 21, remainder 2. Hopefully your handwriting is a lot neater than mine on the board with a pen. Okay, let's have a look at the next one together. We have got, let me just rub out what we have done here, get rid of the last learning. We've got 97 divided by 3 here. Now, can you have a go at this one without using the place value counters or without drawing the place value counters? Can you do this mentally? Can you do this one in your head? Okay, pause the video and have a go.